Do you want to know how you can add Recipient on your Remitly account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add the Recipient on Remitly. So go ahead and open Remitly on your phone. If you don't have Remitly, you can install it from the Play Store or the App Store. If you don't have an account, you can sign up, and after you sign up, sign into your account. You can see Recipients on the end of your phone. Go ahead and tap on it and click on Add. After you do so, what you can do is write down the details such as the last name, first name, phone number, recipient, email address, the street address, city and province. After you've written down all of this, click on Save. So let me show it to you once again. Tap on Recipients, click on Get Started or click on Add. If you click on Get Started, it will lead you to this page. Go ahead and click Continue Sending. Write down the debit card number over here. After you write down the debit card number, click OK and click Continue. Then you can write down the first name of the person which you want to send the money to. Click Continue. And you must write down the phone number which is over here. If the phone number is not valid, it will show that please enter a valid phone number. After you do this, you can add the recipient quite easily. So, if this doesn't work, you can click on Add and you can start adding the phone number, the email address and the location of the recipient, and you can start sending them money. So guys, this is how you add Recipient on your Remitly account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.